If you're brand new to crypto, you're in luck. I'll be able to teach you the right way to do this from the very beginning. However, if you are a pro or if you've learned a few things already, all I ask is that you set that aside for a little while so that I can teach you how to do the plan. It's quite different. In crypto, most people buy and hold, hoping for a big payday. I'm going to show you how you can make money every day. Most people think that you can only make money when the market's moving up. That's easy. However, with the plan, you can actually make money when the market's going sideways. You can even make money when it goes down. Most people think you need to do tons of technical analysis. I'm going to show you how to make money doing absolutely nothing. So prepare to unlearn a few things. We'll see you soon.